I am from family living rooms, from leather couches and rugs along the floor. I am from the house in the trees with the little creek in front, and the leaning tree with the horses in the barn. I am from the potted plants along the brick wall, the ivy crawling along the ground. I am from the family reunion at the barn in the heat, with great food and lots of people. From couch potato weekends with warm blankets and pillows. From Grandma Judy's fighting spirit during hardships, and Grandma Joe's clicking camera to capture the memories, and Grandpa Dale's old shop where masterpieces were created. I am from the weekend rental movies with buttery popcorn, and Fenbury Shelf Night with nothing to eat. From You Are Loved and Smart and Strong. I am from the combines and tractors and dusty fields, ham sizzling in the oven, and McDonald's on the go. From Don't Hit a Bullet with the Hammer and the backyard adventures at Frankie's, and the caring personality of Grandpa Fred. I am from the picture albums to the overflowing boxes. I am one small but special leaf in the family tree.